Hello kids! Today we have these 3 super cool construction trucks to open up. We have a dump truck. Look at those wheels. He looks like he can hold a lot of sand. Then we have a crane. We could do a lot of digging with this one. And then we have the front loader. Look at that. Look how much sand we can play with. Let's open them up and see how they roll. All right, let's get started. We'll start with this cool dump truck. Let's see. Maybe we'll give it a little tug. Wow, look at that. He looks so fun. Can't forget to cut the tape on the back. Wow, look at him. I bet he can move pretty fast. Wow, look at those wheels spin. And look at those tracks. We're really gonna have a lot of fun with him. He'll be able to go over dirt and mud and rocks. Wow, I can't wait. Next we have the crane. This one is one of my favorites. He has a big claw to pick up dirt and gravel and sand. Let's open him. Give this one a little tug. Oh, he opens right up. Let's see here now. We have some tape on the back. We can pull that up. And let's see this one. Whoop, we're gonna need the scissors. Open him. Oh, wow, look at that. He's big. Just reach in there and cut the little. Reach in there and cut. He's ready to play. Look at that, kids. Look at that. Wow, he even spins. Wow, so he can go in all directions. I can't wait to play. Wow, he's gonna be able to load up our big dump truck. Okay, now it's time for the front loader. Let's open him up. Here we go. Wow! Look at that! Whoa, he has such a cool pusher. Look. He's gonna be a lot of fun at their sand pit. Look how high he reaches. Wow. Push, 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 push. Shh. Wow, how cool is that? Beep, 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 beep. Wow, can you imagine how much sand he can push out of the way? Look at our 3 construction trucks. These are gonna be a lot of fun in the sand. I can't wait. These are gonna be so fun outside in our construction site. Okay, kids, it's time for them to get to work and go to the construction site. Bye. Bye, dump truck. Bye, front loader. Bye, crane.